G'day, welcome to 550 McDonalds Road, Clonbinane. This is a beautiful property sitting on just shy of 5 acres with a beautiful established garden, yet still accessible to Melbourne. I'm Riley Evans.
And I'm Georgie Smith. We're from Wilson Partners, and the most special part about this property is without a doubt the gardens. So today we're going to start with the outside. Come and have a look.